Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My name is Nasser. I will explain my part, and other sister will be complete. So I will talk about the values here and the weight numbers that we can enter and so on. Basic the case if n or w 0, basically the return will be 0. But if the weight of numbers of item more than the kidnapped of capacity w, this is item cannot be included. So the optional solution that we will compare and that we will give the values 1313 will use if else here to return the value as we show here in this part, in if else that part. So use it that, and the end of that, and the other things our sister will be explained.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mashara Petibu Hadi. So today I will explain about the algorithm that we have used to be implemented in the Sentinel 10 knapsack problem. So this one, we have applied the brute force algorithm to be used in this problem. So as you can see, brute force algorithm is a straightforward problem solving that will give you two possible combination of value that it will give you either it want to take to include or not to include. So it will go through all the values and wait. Is it want to take or not, to see the value is compatible or not, the value is high or not. Even though this brute force algorithm can give you the optimal value, but when it's come to generate big data, it will consume a lot of storage and it will consume a lot of times, and it's not compatible to be implemented in the Sentinel. But it gives the best optimal value, but for the time consuming, it's not a very good, and for the storage also, it's not a very good way to be used. So like this one, we have run this, but it take times because it go through all these values and wait to choose the best one to give the optimal value. But for the time, like I said, it's not good. But as you can see, if I go to the IS, I go here, I go here, the output will given, but the time that have been consumed is about 1.5 hours if you use the i7 processor. So to apply for a knapsack problem, you can use a dynamic programming or another algorithm that much more better than the brute force algorithm. So that's it from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.